Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we will see how we can create a skeleton. Okay, so currently if I show you, if I go to the chat screen, so currently you can see we have a complete white screen with, when the data is loaded, only then we are able to show the data, like we are able to show the data here. What if the data is not loading? Till then we need to show some skeleton, correct? If I go to my profile picture and if I show you here by saying followers, then here also skeleton is not there. Okay, so today in this video we will see how we can create this skeleton. Okay, so what we will do, I will come basically to my folder like followers.js. okay, this is a follower.js file and I want that I don't want to set any data. Okay, I just want it to be null. Okay, I will say here null, and if I come back and again try to see, so I am saying please wait and we don't have any data. Okay, cool, perfect. Now I don't want to set these, I want it to be set as loading only, so that we will say that data is loading. Okay, so that we can able to show that data is still loading. Perfect. Now I am saying showing here please wait. Okay, this one text, what I need, I want to see here show here skeleton. So how can I show the skeleton? Let's create a skeleton for this. Okay, so what I will do right now, I will create here I will say here export I will say here export function, and this will be function name will be the I can say basically profile skeleton, profile skeleton, skeleton on. Okay, and parameters we will not get anything, and I will say basically this. Now I want to return something from here. Okay, so I will say return, and what I need to return basically a JSX fragment. Okay, and inside a JSX fragment I will map something here. Okay, so what I will map here basically, let's create an array of like around length of something. Let's do it some light stuff of code, like I want here 15 data at least, at least 15. Okay, so 5 is there, 4 is there, 1 2 3 4. Okay, cool, perfect. Now I will say 11, I need 12 comma 13 comma 14 comma 15. Perfect. Now I will say dot map, and I need item, item, and I will say this, and what I need to return from here, I need to return this, this. Okay, cool, perfect. Now I will say that return from here this. Now let me say here format document. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what one sec, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is there, then 2 commas shouldn't be there. Okay, cool. Now next what I need, I need that this should not be pressable. Okay, first of all I'll say it should be a view, and I will say this one as a view. Okay, so basically see what this line of code is doing. We are creating one I can say a div. If I show you on my mobile, so see, if I show you my following, so currently you can see this one item now. This is the code. Okay, we have one image. If I show you, let me show the image. Okay, see, this is an image tag. Okay, we have a complete one view. I had made it as flex. Okay, if I show you the code for this CSS, how the CSS is there. Okay, so this is the CSS for messaging item, and for image I am saying width as and height and border radius. After that content I am saying like these names, and one message is there na blue, this one. And after that we are giving some fonts to username and some stuff. Okay, cool, perfect. This is an CSS for this. Okay, so now what next I will say here, I will basically create here see, first of all I don't require here any navigation, because we are not going to navigate anywhere user from here. Okay, I don't require any image URL. Okay, I don't require any image URL, so I can easily remove this URL, but not right now. I will remove. What I will do now next, I don't require here any name. Okay, as in text, and I don't require any bio here. Okay, I don't require, after this I don't require even any username. And perfect. Now what next guys, what next? So see, first let's use this skeleton. Okay, so I will say mm, first of all let me make it a usable form. Okay, let me make it an high order function. So cool, this is an high order function for us. Export a function not function, basically I will make it as a const. Perfect. And perfect. Now profile skeleton, now you can use this skeleton here. So I can say here skeleton, so I will say profile. Profile, one sec. Profile skeleton, and I will wrap it somehow like this. Cool, perfect. Now, what next I can say here basically? I can say basically here I'm mapping this data, and if I come back to my following list, I will get, of course, some stuff of error like image data is not present. Okay, cool. Image data is not present. We don't require even this image data. Okay, this source even we don't require. I will make instead of this as view. Okay, view. Okay, perfect. And cool. Now if I again come back to my device, and if I go to my following list, so I am good, I'm getting these profiles. Okay, it is saying that some unique keys will be there. Okay, let's give an key. So I will say here key to be somehow index. Okay, index. So let me define this index to be here. Okay, cool, perfect. Now again if I come, I shouldn't get any warning. And here, so you can see we are able to see our scroll view. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what next I need to provide here some width. Okay, so first of all let me wrap this somehow like this, dot dot dot, or not this one. I need for images now. Yes, I need for images, so I will say for images dot dot dot, and I will say basically this, and I will say basically mm, 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 uh, comma, I will say background color to be somehow kind of gray, and let's see, do we get a circle? If I come back here, and if I come back here, cool, perfect, we are getting then skeleton. Now let's get the perfect I can say basically mm, perfect, I can say perfect color. Okay, so I have created one skeleton in my here, so I will use this background color one. Okay, so I will use this one. Okay, you can also take this color, that is not something key, it will be any issue for you. Okay, so I will paste it here, and let's see how our colors. Okay, cool, it's looking fine even on the screen. Now next what I need, let's do the same for other text is also. Okay, text, so I will say control C, and not this exactly, but for this I will make a comma, control V. Let me remove one comma, and text to be defined with dot dot dot. Okay, cool, perfect. And now I'm getting its width to be like completely width. Perfect. Now we will by the way we will define their width even. Okay, so I will copy it, and I will paste it here even. And now next I will say dot dot dot, and now I can get the output. Okay, so what next I need, I will say basically here its width to be okay. Let's define its width, like it will not take its width more than this. Okay, I will say 20, and let's see, will 20 will be less, or it will be, I think it will be too less. Let's see. Okay, our width is too less, okay, so what can I do right now? I can make basically its width to be 100. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what next I will say, let's remove this one stuff of code. Okay, let's remove this one stuff of code, and cool, perfect. Now what I need, guys, now next what I need, I will copy the same, and I will paste the same here. Okay, and perfect. Now I will say dot dot dot, perfect, and I will make its width to be double, or one, like half of it. Okay, cool, perfect, our skeleton is ready. Okay, now let's uncomment the code which we have commented. Okay, first one was this, and second one was this. Okay, cool, perfect. Now see, now if I come to my followers, then I am getting my data. Okay, it's not something key, please wait, please wait. Cool, perfect. Now what next I need, guys, here basically, now I need to implement on my followings also. Okay, so I will import this. Okay, what I will import, profile, one sec, it will be profile. Okay, profile skeleton, let me rename it, control V. Okay, now I will come to my following.js, and I will do the same changes here even. Okay, I will say profile skeleton, and let me wrap it perfectly. One sec, my bad. La, let me do control space and slash, perfect. I've imported it, and it is there. Now if I go to my following, I'm getting a skeleton, and after the some time when the data is fetched from UPI, I'm getting an perfect overview here. Okay, cool. Now I want to implement the same on my I can say basically this chats screen. Okay, so how can I implement this? So if I come to my chat screen, so where's my chat screen? Here is my chat and chat screen. So this is my chat screen. Okay, so here I will say, let me see whether I'm saying I'm like when I'm fetching data, am I making it as a like data fetched or something? Is loading. Okay, on the basis of is loading. Okay, refreshing. Perfect. So what I will do right now, mm, 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 mm. so I will come here. Okay, and I will paste the same line of code what I was using in my following.jsx. Okay, and that was list empty component. Okay, so I will say here list empty component and refreshing. If refreshing is true, okay, then I need this. Okay, I need what? I need profile skeleton. I need profile. Uh, mm, 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 where from where I need from here. Okay, cool. Perfect. Now what if I go here? I am not getting. I am not getting. If it is true, means data is loading. Only then we need to show na this if data is loading. Cool. Perfect. If I refresh the page, if I come back again here and open the app again, let's wait. Our code is compiling and let it open. Okay, our application is opening. Cool, application got opened, and if I come to my chat screen, so I'm getting the data, and when the data is come from API, I'm getting the skeleton perfectly. So cool guys, this was our main target of this video, how we can achieve the skeleton. Okay, so that's all guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you are facing any issue in React Native, any means any, you can just take an help for me. I will be there for helping you. So thank you guys, hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.